our continent, its position and size. In today's session, we will discuss about detail of it. So students, we have discussed about the Alfred Wegener continental drift theory in our previous lecture. He tells that all 7 continents are combined to each other in the form of Pangaea, and all the 5 oceans were also combined to each other in the form of Andalusia. So after Wegener drift theory, which was given by Alfred Wegener in 1912, at the time it was proposed, but after 2 years in 1914 it was accepted by the Geographical Department of the German. And here is our Eurasia, North America, this is our South America, and this is Africa. The continental drift theory was given by Alfred Wegener. So students, this is our earlier stage of our continent and oceans, and we will discuss about the modern position and extension of our all 7 continents in map. So students, look at here, this is our world map, and I am just drawing the so students, this is our North America, which is lying in western direction of our world. This is our South America, which is lying in the southwest of the world, and this is our Africa continent. So students, look at here, this is our Eurasia, combinedly known as Asia and Europe continent. So this is our Asia, this is Europe, and collectively Asia and Europe is known as Eurasia because there is a mountain, Ural mountain ranges, which separates Asia and Eurasia, Asia and Europe. This is our Australia continent, and below side of the world, this is our Antarctica. So students, there is a line which passes through in the middle of Africa continent. This is our equator line, and it divides Africa into 2 equal parts. And this is our Greenwich line. It is also known as prime meridian. So it is our prime meridian line. So this is our prime meridian line. It is also known as Greenwich line in Hindi because it passes through the European country, England, from the city known as Greenwich city. So that he is also known as Greenwich line. So students, are you up? This is our Greenland, and North America also includes the island of Caribbean Sea and Greenland. So students, is it clear? Are you understand what I taught you? Yes. So students, I will ask some question regarding to this. If you know the answer, then raise your hand and do not give chorus answer. So students, so the question is which continent cover the 1/3 of our world? Yes, Disha, tell me.
Asia.
Asia. Yes, this is the right answer. Asia covers 1/3 of our total land surface of the world. The second question is which continent? Which continent is the second most populous continent of the world? Yes, Runa, you tell me.
Africa.
Africa. Yes, this is the right answer. Africa is the second most populous continent of the world. Yes, sit down. I know that there are 7 wonders in the world, and how many wonders of the among 7 are presented in our Asia continent? How many wonders of the world are present in our Asia continent? Yes, Dia. Yes, this is the right answer. There are 2 wonders which are presented in our Asia continent, and the name of 2 wonders which are presented in our Asia continent. Who tell me? Yes.
Taj Mahal and Great Wall of China.
Yes, Taj Mahal and Great Wall of China. These are the 2 wonders of the world among 7 is presented in our Asia continent. And so students, I just show you the Greenland and the Caribbean Sea island. In which continent the Greenland and Caribbean Sea island are presented? In which continent the Caribbean Sea and Greenland island presented? Yes, they are telling. North America. Yes, this is the right answer. So students, it's an excellent pleasure to have a wonderful session with you. Thank you very much.